Yeah, man, so we got the Gold Grill giveaway. In courtesy of my boy, Jay.
I got gold everything, $1 million mine, whole lot of change, doing everything. Got my chain gang bling, flexing off the chain, fame make it change. Just try to stay the same. Got my whip on them thing.
My eyes hella red. My eyes red. Let me see your shirt, man.
Ooh, damn it, bro.
Ooh, I look cold with these on. I look like a mob boss. Yeah, you know what I mean? Had to put my grills in. I'm gonna take y'all back to 1970. There's some shit before I was born, you know what I mean? I like an old school G though. Let me tell y'all a little something about pimping. See. Can't you still tell my eyes red? Do I look hot? He said I don't look hot. That boy sent me on the job interview. Fucked up with these glasses on. Yeah. I was straight. We're not like, oh, you high? Nah. I feel like I'm back in the motherfucking 80s, nigga. The early, late 70s, early 80s. I done went back. Look at the shirt I got on, you hear me? When they first started pressing shirts, you hear me? That boy got that real shine.
Bro, look at this filter I just put on here.
So let them see it, huh? Yeah. What up, man? Y'all know what it is, man. Yeah, man, so we got the Gold Grill giveaway. In courtesy of my boy, Jay.
What up, Mike?
He the one gonna be financing the giveaway. So, we're gonna be having what we giving away? A 20 piece? Look, that boy say what? Yeah, man. What's up, man? So we give away that 20 piece, man?
What?
Yeah.
You give away 20 pieces.
Nah, you give away a 20 piece.
See, I give it away to me. See,
Ah.
you giving away 20 pieces. You
We give away a pot like a focus.
You got the contestants lined up.
I got some on this on Instagram.
Awesome.
Hey, so look, if y'all want a chance to win a 4-piece set, Gold Grill set, go to my Instagram at HP7vlogs, down at the bottom, you feel me? We're gonna have a 4-piece, 10K Gold Grill, and then I wanna do an 8, but it depends on the prices though, you know what I mean? So I know I can do a 4 for sure. They ain't gonna cost that much, like what, $100 and some dollars.
One on the top, one on the bottom.
No, 4. A big 4. The number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So just let y'all know that's what it is. Yeah. Then we get some money, then we can give away some real. Until then, we gotta just work with what we got. So make sure y'all go to my Instagram at HP7vlogs on IG. You feel me? Go check it out. It's going down, man.